Priyadarshini Academy was privileged to present a portrait of late Prime Minister of India, Shri Rajiv Gandhi, to the Parliament House in New Delhi on August 20, 1993. I think this is a very rare honor given to any organization in the country. This is the third occasion when we have Shri Suresh Prabhu for the Academy's annual biannual function. Suresh Prabhu is widely admired for his dynamism. He was very successful as a Union Minister of Power. Shri Prabhu is credited with bringing revolutionary changes in India's power sector during his tenure. I would like to mention, without him, you can understand with this kind of function, the undercurrents, the problems, the tensions. He has been more concerned than even by, he's saying, Mr. Rupani, don't worry, this is beyond everybody. I am very happy. I think we Indians believe in past, birth and rebirth. I think, and maybe in last life he was my brother to me. Suresh ji, I don't know how to thank you. I can really salute you for what you have done for us. I am very happy to see Shri Ram Rao Adhik, the former Deputy Chief Minister, and Shri Ram Rao ji and Srimati Prabha Rao, who is the President of Congress Party, Maharashtra, and she is in Delhi, have associated with our academy almost from inception. Prabha Rao from the day one. Priyadarshini got into limelight in 1985 when Mrs. Prabha Rao was the MPCC President. On the first anniversary of Priyadarshini Academy, the entire cabinet of Maharashtra and the entire team of Prabha Rao, President of MPCC, were felicitated. And also our Chief Minister, that time he was the Finance Minister in the cabinet of Shivaji Rao Patil Nilangekar. It was an event that received a great deal of positive attention, becoming a trendsetter. Now, never in the history of Maharashtra where the entire cabinet is present and the entire party, ruling party is present. So this was the honor which Priyadarshini Academy received from the very first years of its inception. Shri Ram Rao ji has been very kind to the academy. And whenever he was a finance minister, deputy chief minister, advocate general, he has been always available in spite of his political commitment today. He said, no, I will be there with you and I will, whatever time you want, I will be available. Adhik ji have always found time to be with us on Priyadarshini Academy's award function. He is a leading lawyer, barrister, and we really appreciate his love and affection for Priyadarshini Academy. Now our sheriff, the very popular sheriff, Shri Jagatnath Hegde. Today he had so many commitments for Ganpati. Now, normally on Ganpati day, the politicians or the sheriff, he has to go and be with all the important people in the state and his friend. But I requested him, I told him, Dr. Hegde, you have to be with us. And without even a fuss, he's saying, I am coming from Thana, I will be there today. Thank you, Jagannath ji, thank you very much. It is a delight to welcome Shri Nana Chudasama, who has been my guru in social field. I had lots of opportunity to work with him in JCs and Giants International. I am sure that all of you know that his banner, the talk of the town, is also the talk of town itself. Thank you, Nana, for being with us. We have Mr. Anand Mahendra, who is a very successful industrialist. Under his leadership, the company Mahindra & Mahindra is today the name to be reckoned with in India's automobile industry. As a company making cars and automobiles of international repute, Mr. Mahendra's father, late Shri Haresh Mahendra, was a friend, philosopher and guide to me. And his contribution to this academy, I can't describe in word. He stood by me.